How to log in Ollo Credit Card. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Open up a preferred browser and search for ollocard.net. You'll be redirected to the official webpage of Ollo Card. Now, in order to log in to your Ollo Card, you can just tap in this login portal. If not, tap on Login at the very top and head to Registration. You'll be redirected to a new web page. Now in here, to register or log in to your Ollo credit card, you will have to enter your Ollo card credential, that is your user ID and your password. If you are new to it, you will have to enter your last name, first name and your DOB, and along with the 4-digit of your SSN. And for your Ollo card, enter the 16-digit of your Ollo card and the expiration date. And that is the first step of many. After the verification, you'll be able to register yourself a brand new Ollo card. If you already have one and you need to log in, all you have to do is enter your credentials. If you have forgotten any of the required credentials, just enter your SSN and you'll be able to retrieve your password of your Ollo card account. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.